Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my hair. I know it looks crazy. I'm not having a good hair day. Plus I'm feeling a little under the weather. But I got my BoxyCharm Boxyluxe, and I literally just got it. I wanted to share with you guys what was inside. I haven't even opened it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I feel like last month's box was a little bigger, but this is it. And I'm pretty excited that I got it like relatively early this month. But okay, this is it, and it's La Vie en Rose. Right here it tells you the list of all the products, the prices, and everything that is inside this gigantic box. So the first thing I see is this right here, and I see some other goodies that I absolutely am in love with, and I can't wait. Okay, so let's see this makeup bag. So this is a train case. It retails for $20. It is super cute. It's like holographic. I'm definitely going to be using this in my upcoming trip that I have coming up. I could definitely fit all my cute stuff in there, and it brings BoxyCharm, and it's not that big. So definitely like my full face of makeup could fit in here. Excuse my dog. But it is really pretty. You guys can see it's a decent size. I think so. It's super cute, right?
I love it.
My daughter, she's sick. So if you hear her, she's in the background freaking out. She's like, I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's like gold holographic. It's very beautiful. And yeah, hold that for me. So the next thing in here that I see that is super big is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Super Cream Moisturizer.
A lot of words.
Yeah, it is. I used to have this. Unfortunately, I do have an allergic reaction, so I am gonna set this aside for a giveaway. I might end up. Okay, so I have a giveaway right now going on my Instagram. If you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna do an official YouTube video on the giveaway. But I might end up adding this to it. This is really good. I mean, it's a really good. It works great for my mother. My mother absolutely loves it. She just bought one. It retails for $48. And just for me, I have sensitive skin. It didn't work out. Okay. The next thing I see in here is 2 nail polishes. This is, I'm guessing this is nail polish. I'm not sure. I'm looking for it on here. So this is by Deborah Lippman. So it is nail polish, and it retails for $20. So how cute. It's 2 little nail polishes. One is like a goldish color. It reminds me of the makeup bag. And the other one is just a nude color, which is absolutely pretty. And this retails for, I think I said it out, I'm not sure, I'm just gonna say it again anyway. It retails for $20. I have a Becca lipstick, and this retails for $28. It's a satin lip color. I've never actually had a Becca lipstick, but it is a nude color. Definitely colors that I use. I'm not a really big fan of liquid lipsticks, but I absolutely love the case. It feels very luxurious. Then we have a pair of Lily lashes, and this is in the style Gaia. I have no freaking idea. Look, it's like Gaia or something. It's not Gala.
Gaia.
Gaia. Gaia? whatever. They're super pretty, very wispy. Again, I'm definitely keeping these. And these retail for $24.99. So these are mine.
You just throw it.
Then we have the Iconic London eyebrow cushion. How much is this? Iconic London. So this retails for $40. For real. I don't think I would waste $40 on this. Let me see. So it comes with a spoolie and a little thing, sort of just like converts into that, and then oh, okay. So it's like it is a cushion. It's like an ink of some sort. Oh no, that looks weird. I don't like it. But it has a cute little mirror. I don't know. We'll see how this works. I'm probably going to do a video testing out the products that I do decide to keep. And then inside of here, very wrapped up nicely, there is a Cover FX thing. This retails for $45. So it says this is a Perfector face palette. Oh, okay. So it comes with a finishing powder, a blush, highlighter, brightener, another highlighter, and contour. I don't know. I feel like this will be a little too light for my skin. I mean, it says light to medium, but I do feel like this will be a little too light for my skin. At least a contouring powder, I don't feel like it will work for me. I don't want to touch it just in case I end up giving it to a friend or something, but we'll see. I absolutely love this brand. This is from Wander Beauty. This is a purifying and brightening peel off mask. I'm definitely keeping this. This retails for $34. I can't wait to use this. I have to wash my face first though. And then I see an eyeshadow palette and a brush set. So the brush set is from Moda. It retails for $29.99, and it's a 2-piece brush, powder, and soft glow. So one is a highlighting brush, and the other one is a powder brush.
That's powder brush.
This is a powder brush. Oh, it's super soft. I'm actually very impressed with these brushes. Did I say how much it retails for? Yeah, $34. Put it there. We have a Morphe palette. So this is called, I think I already have this palette. I'm not sure. This is the 15N Night Master. I think this retails for like $15. Let me see. Morphe. Where are you, Morphe? Oh, it's $16. Okay. So I believe I have this eyeshadow palette already. I'm not sure. Yes, I do have this eyeshadow palette. So these are the colors, very neutral shades, but I think I'm gonna include this in the giveaway as well. I do have these colors already. I have this palette, but it was very nice. You know, Morphe is a really good brand. I'm happy to see it in BoxyCharm, and I wouldn't say that this was my favorite Boxyluxe, but it was definitely a good one as well. Like I've always said, BoxyCharm never, ever ceases to impress me. It is my favorite box, hands down. And that is about it. That's all I got in the BoxyCharm this month. And this was the Boxyluxe edition, so very impressed, very happy. Even my daughter's impressed. But anyway, I hope you guys subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications of new uploads. Go check out my other videos, and see you guys next time in my next video. Bye bye, guys.